Hey everyone! If you're a parent like me, you know how challenging it can be to keep kids engaged at home, especially with all their energy and curiosity packed into one little space. Today, I am sharing one of our absolute favorite activities, something that turned a regular afternoon into a burst of creativity and fun. It's super simple, mess friendly, and uses something you already have at home, that is chalk. We think of chalk as something you just write with on boards. But here's a twist. Did you know you can turn chalk into paint? Yes, and kids absolutely love it. First, I gave my son Nihal a few pieces of chalk and a little wooden hammer. He had so much fun hammering the chalk into colorful powder. It was like a mini workout for him and totally safe with a little supervision. Then we poured the powdered chalk into a small container.
Shakti Hanuman.
Yeah, Shakti Hanumana.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುಟ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುಟ್ಬೇಕು
ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ರಷ್ಟಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Nihal used his tiny cup to pour in water, so carefully and proudly, and mixed it up using a paintbrush. And just like that, we had chalk paint. What happened next was pure imagination. He painted stick figures, sun, house, flowers, dots and lines and shapes. It kept on going. His little thoughts came to life on the driveway. Watching him so focused, so joyful, it made me realize just how powerful simple activities can be. Idu yaru? Idu? 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 And the best part is this activity checks so many boxes. It encourages creativity, builds fine motor skills, keeps them calm and focused, gets them outdoors and away from screens. This was the perfect way to spend his afternoon. Whether your child loves sensory play, arts and crafts, or just needs a new way to spend the afternoon, this is a perfect budget-friendly activity to try. So if you're looking for a fresh idea that doesn't need screens, batteries or expensive toys, grab some chalk, water, a brush and let your child lead the way. Don't forget to take photos. The memories are as beautiful as the artwork. And if you try this at home, tag me or drop a comment below. I would love to see what your little ones create. For more such activities, don't forget to subscribe to Gandhada Gudi Chronicles.